Here's how you automate your dog door or your chicken coop door. Your future self will thank you because this is now on a schedule. We're gonna go ahead manually trigger it. Let's pretend that it's 5 a.m. and you wanna let the dogs out, but you don't wanna get out of bed. Well, this automatically goes off and on, and check it out. This starts winding up this line, and then this line is attached to my dog door, and it goes up all on its own. Oh, your future self will thank you. Now, instead of trying to read the instructions and having your eyes glossed over like mine did because it's just a big block of text, you can watch this video and hopefully it will save you 45 minutes because you can actually see how I put this thing together. You can reverse engineer it and apply it to your own situation. First of all, I already mentioned that you will need a smart switch. So if you don't have one of those, you're gonna have to buy this separately. And then it plugs into, this plug is included with the actual lift gate right here. Here's how this thing operates. Now, I kind of already mentioned that there's a spool on the inside. Pretend like it's a fishing rod on the inside that winds up this string, which is also included, and then I attach the string to my pre-existing dog door. Now, you may be like, wow, how come there are some license plates bolted to your dog door? That's kind of rednecky. Well, that's because my dog door is way too light and plasticky, and on its own, if I were to just drop it, it would get stuck about part way. I actually need some extra weight bolted to my plastic dog door that encourages it to go down. And even with all this weight, I would say there's about 15 pounds on this thing. This is so powerful, it's still able to wind and lift this entire thing. All right, I'm gonna get a close-up look of how this actually operates, and it's helpful to turn it on and off. So let's say that it's late at night, you're in your pajamas, you're in bed, and you're thinking to yourself, oh no, I need to go close the dog door. But wait, this will automatically go off and on, and you can see, watch very carefully. So as this wing goes along, it's gonna hit this little rocker switch, and this rocker switch, when it switches, it's going to turn off automatically. Isn't that cool? And so this wing can be adjusted. It's like on a little ratchet and it can go sort of like an egg timer. And if you put it this way, well, obviously it will take more time to get to this rocker switch and turn it off. And conversely, on this side, this little wing can also be adjusted all along this dial to adjust exactly how long it takes to hit this off switch. That means that this line right here will take more time or less time, and you can also adjust the length of this if you so please. So let's go ahead and pretend that it's early in the morning. You want to open this up, off, and then on, and check it out. So as this goes along, this is right now being wound up on the inside. This is being lifted up, and check out this wing as it hits this little rocker switch. And there it goes. It just goes click and it automatically turns off. And now your dogs can be let out and you're still in bed and your future self has thanked you.